Good morning. Today we will measuring the current inside the circuit with the multimeter in a position of Ammeter. So we have the circuit start from the plus from the power pack, going through the switch and then going to the first dipole with the lamp, the second dipole, and going back to the minus of the. So first we will switch on the power pack, who is already set up at little bit less than 6 volt, what is perfect for our circuit, and we will position the selector on the amps 2000 milliamps. So like you can see here, 2000 milliamps on the pink part. We will connect the black wire on a common of the multimeter on the black part, and then we are ready to measuring the current inside the circuit. To get some current going through the circuit, we will first switch on the switch, and like you can see we have current and the lamp is lighted. We will have current going through the circuit. So we will open the circuit to insert our Ammeter. We will plug the black wire in the side of the black power pack and the red wire to the milliamps board of the multimeter. So now we can measuring the current going from the plus of the power pack, going through the switch, then going through the lamp, first lamp, going through the ammeter, going through the second lamp, and going back to the power pack. So now we can measuring the current going through is 221 milliampere. We are in a range of 2000, but now what happens if we change the range to 200 milliamps, what is lower than 221? We reach the limit and we cannot read anything because the current is higher than the range we chosen. So we have to choose a higher range is 2000 milliamps. Now we will disconnect our Ammeter from this part of the circuit, and we will reconnect then the red wire inside the second dipole, so like this the current can go through, and we will insert the Ammeter between the lamp and the switch. So we will disconnect the red wire and connect the black wire on the side of the minus of the power pack and the red wire to the milliamps. So now we can read 221 milliampere. It's almost the same than the first measurement in the other circuit. So now it will inverse the both wire. We put the black wire on the red part of the milliampere and the red one on the black part. What will happen? We have minus 221 milliampere. So now if we open the switch, we switch off the switch, what we can read is 0 milliampere because we have no current going through the circuit. Thank you for your attention.